I got the, well, it's not gonna go in order here, but I got the Magic Remote. Again, I feel like you guys are gonna have, maybe some of you guys, not majority of you, will have questions and you're gonna wanna know about the remote. And if I don't buy the product and I don't put it on my truck, I can't answer the questions. And what do we got in here? And then the actual Magic box. And I don't think it comes with a magic wand. Almost nobody laughed at that, I bet. That's okay, I didn't even laugh. All right, let's dig in. All right, so looking at their little how to connect, you know, looks pretty straightforward. I mean, they got a little video behind it, but basically plug it in to the Magic box, plug it into the other side, wait 15-20 seconds. Could take a while the first time to plug it in. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. Might as well film me unboxing it. I mean, people make YouTube videos of unboxing and all kinds of stuff all the time. Nice and shiny. Should go send this thing off for paint match. What do you guys think? Let's see here. What is behind it? Ooh, some cords. So it looks like we got two different choices here. Looks like we got USB-C on both ends, and then a USB-C, USB-A. Let's rock the USB-C for right now. So plug it in, plug it in. Looks like it's got a little red light on it. Again, this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. Do you want to start Apple CarPlay from Magic Box? Apple CarPlay, yeah, that's my name. Will be, yeah, all right. So, blah, 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 blah. We're gonna hit continue. So little lights blinking blue. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let's make sure you guys can see that, because my battery's running pretty low on the GoPro. And while we're waiting for that to do everything, don't use in motion, save traffic, don't watch vehicle, yeah, when driving, don't do anything. Let's take a look at this. Oh, something fell at the bottom. Oh, it's just plastic. Looks like a USB, which I haven't ridden or watched anything on this, but I assume obviously it goes into here, into the box itself. Should probably read instructions, so don't take this from me. And looks like there is some sort of other wire, which actually what this looks like is to USB-A to a mini USB. That's to charge it, more than likely. I bet you it's it could be charged. So this is kind of cool. It's got a keyboard on the back, and then on the front here it's just got like the arrows and stuff. Oh wow, it already works. So you guys can kind of see like through there. We can click on Google Maps. This should make it a lot easier for setup. Let's just go to like what, YouTube or something. It's kind of cool. So I imagine, since we didn't set up any internet, it needs to pull internet from somewhere. And I know you could download a bunch of apps and stuff through the Google Play Store. Settings, Wi-Fi. This is the cool part, right? You get to type it in on the little keypad. So now it says it's online. I mean, there was like basically no setup to it. My truck emits Wi-Fi, and then so does my phone. So when you're out on the road, that's all you should have to do is just all you should have to do is just connect to Wi-Fi through the settings. There's so many other things to play with, but it literally, just picture like you have a tablet, and that's the screen for that thing is this. Like it's just an Android tablet, really, or Android based tablet, you know, with the Google Play Store. So let's look up my channel. Whoa. Oh, it's because I didn't hit function. So the function button. Let's see here. So running out of battery here, but this is really just a short video. You guys kind of get it. YouTube, Netflix, a ton of apps work. But here's like my last YouTube video. Pod holder for that thing. So basically, you guys are seeing like I'm listening to it and I'm watching it on here. Like the quality is so good. I don't know what the resolution is. You guys can put that down below. It's at least like 720p, 1080p quality. So that's really cool. And the fact that there's like no setup, no like all this crazy watching the videos type of thing. I really like that. And there's so many other things to play with. It looks like there's all these other apps and stuff. It looks like you can cast like your phone on here. Sorry for the weird angle. I'm plugging it in with one of the cords the Magic Box came with. I'm plugging it into my GoPro to charge it here. You know, and you got our video still in the corner here. Like, I don't know what all this is. You guys will know. Maybe you guys could share with me in the comments below if you guys have played with this and some of the cool features. But YouTube, Netflix are going to be a lot of your video stuff, maps, and that kind of thing. I don't know that I'm really going to care about, because you can do that all from your phone, which is way easier to use. So anyways, yeah, it looks like you literally can just go into Google and type, I mean, just about anything you can do with a tablet you can do on here. So, you know, the one thing is, I think that I've seen people do in the past is they will, if you have like an Easy Link or something like that, you can plug it into the truck and then download like the Easy Link app, or, you know, for your AutoCal, or not your AutoCal, for your Easy Link. And anyways, you could literally download the app and then do whatever you want to do on here. I don't think this thing limits you at all to anything. I think it literally is just going to be a matter of, I want to see how this thing works. Yeah, the volume controls and everything are pretty cool. So yeah, I think what it's going to come down to is just personal preference. But yeah, guys, this is pretty awesome. So I mean, that's pretty much it. We're just watching some videos right now, and it's gonna take a little bit of getting used to go back, whatever, you know, do all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I don't even know what I'm looking at now. So anyways, but on here, kind of done with playing with this. It's not really to anyone's surprise, but yeah, it just shows you like literally on one, unpack it, two, connect it, just connect to Wi-Fi like we just did, and download your favorite apps.